Alrighty. We'll go through real quick how to rebuild a 4041 door closer. Okay. So I've already broke down this door closer. This is the door closer body, of course. Got your adjustment valves, back check valve, remove the positioning valve, and the spring and everything. This only has one spring. Some of them have dual springs. If you have dual spring, the other spring would go right inside that one. So anyway, I'll make sure this winder piece is freely spinning in there and nice, which I did. Insert it in there. And if you see these double cuts right here, these are relief cuts milled onto the piston, and of course you can see your rack. Alright, the two cuts, and the two side by side milled cuts will go down, and that rack will go to the flat surface of the door closer. It's real easy, nothing really gets forced, it just fits in there real easy. Now we'll swap around to the jig part. This is compressed. Okay. Anyway, like I was saying, this jig, it works by just like that. Goes down, compresses the piston, which sits on top of the spring, and then that gland fitting goes right into that hole. Of course, you clean out that channel where the O-ring sits real good, real nice and clean right in there. Make sure this pin bearing is freely spinning and set into place, like I said before. Put that one in place. Looks good. We got a spacer washer that just fits right on the end of that gland fitting, right in there. I'm gonna put her in there, and if that piston's twisted slightly, we're gonna untwist it with a screwdriver, and we're putting our washer in there, just backing off this piston just slightly, always being very cautious because it is under spring tension and it'll chop your damn finger off. So alright, so we're gonna line this up.